Is that good?
That's amazing. Wait, the back go down a bit.
Doesn't go any more down. Length.
Make it as big as
Don't make it too big. Is that
We've got plasma. J-Log, we've got plasma burner.
Ours is faster than yours. We're gonna beat you.
Oh, we've got plasma burner.
Oh my god, look at our car.
Oh my god, look at our car.
Sammy, what face do you want?
what's
Come on,
gas
Jojo.
engine?
We've got to beat them.
Electric. Hybrid. Okay, let's go. It's like it's breathing.
Come on, quickly.
Yes.
Let's see. Blue. Is that good?
Yeah, that's cool.
What about that?
We've got rocket jets.
Have you?
All kinds of jets.
That's Daddy's and Sam's. There we go. Mummy's and Josh's. We're gonna win.
No, we're gonna win.
We're gonna win.
Because we've got loads.
We've only got 19 on a 50. I think we may.
Mama,
Cheating.
Mama.
Capability is 80. Power is 63. Responsiveness 50. Efficiency is 19. This is awesome!
Yeah.
That was awesome!
Who won?
I don't know.
Who won?
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept
Bless him, he can't see over the top of it. He has to go to the side. Now this is an absolutely terrifying sight. These two in charge of a car.
Right.
Have my seatbelt on.
You got this, Sammy?
Frightening McQueen, and I'm gonna get it, and they don't even know. And we're gonna go on Nemo now.
Samuel?
Take it back.
That's not very nice, is it? And I just caught you on camera saying that. So you were busted. I think you should say sorry to Josh.
No,
I think you should.
no, I should.
won't
You
open
should.
it
You won't
now,
have the car unless you say sorry. No, say it nicely.
Sorry, J-Dog.
Nicely.
Sorry, J-Dog. That's nice.
Is that accepted?
Yeah, that's very
It's about as nice as
not
you're going to get.
It's not accepted because you're a big annoying.
You're a little bit hyper right now, Sam.
No pants.
Excuse me. We
Oh
don't
yeah, I am wearing pants.
Whoa! Whoa!
You two have to say it instead.
Moi.
Whoa. Time for professional.
Moi.
Mine.
You don't have to say it quite so loud.
Sorry.
Moi.
Whoa. Mine.
Come on, Captain America's.
Mine.
Oh, look at the size of this.
It's huge.
We don't. Oh, hello. They're biggies.
Oh, hello.
We don't ever come up here, do we? Have we?
I've never came up here.
Haven't you? Never.
There's a
Can't see. Sam. Don't know.
There's all the Marlin Juniors.
The dolphin coming upside down. Upside down dolphin. Played a Mickey.
The seahorse. Seahorses.
Trying to eat you two.
Oh my.
Oh, terrifying.
It's disgusting.
You're like an alien. Yuck.
Put your finger there. It starts attacking
I don't want it anywhere near me. Yuck.
and then it just carries on. You know what it looks like? Stingray.
It looks like a tarantula
With a shell on it.
yeah. Ooh.
Look, put your hand there. What happens if you put your hand there? Let's try it.
Oh, that sounds great.
What you found?
Barney, you want to see his face?
So when we were in the car park at Typhoon Lagoon earlier, a man stopped us and gave us a test track fast pass. So there was only 3 of them, so Neil's taking the boys on. I'm going to go wait for them in the shop. And there's a big grey dark sky up above. It's coming up for 7:30. And we're going to try and stay and watch the fireworks. Hopefully it won't rain.
Mine's already half down.
Yummy.
Yeah. But you can eat them.
What are you doing?
What is it? Oh, look at the restaurant over there. Look at this.
Imagine if the volcano was real. Or is it?
Oh, I hope it's not real. Just like the volcano Granny and Grandad walked up.
The hidden Mickey somewhere. Where's the hidden Mickey? Where? Hidden Mickey by drums.
Oh yeah. Nice spot there, Josh.
No,
The hidden Mickey Sam?
Yeah, I saw it.
Restaurant, isn't it? Smells fun.
Have gathered for thousands and thousands of years before us to share the light and to share a story. An amazing story, as old as time itself, but still being written. And though each of us has our own individual stories to tell, a true adventure emerges when we bring them all.
stuck 800 feet up in the sky. Yeah. It's beautiful.
Did you see that? That duck was going that way and then there was a massive explosion. He was like, nope, I'm going this way again.
Don't blame him.
That's why no one stood here.
Something went in my eye at that last bit.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Something went in my eye when it went.
thank you for having been with us for Illuminations, Reflections of Earth, presented by Siemens.
What is
We
a
hope that
seaman?
your visit to the Walt Disney World Resort
Did you say it's
a
Jamaican?
magical experience for you.
Beta base.
We wish you a pleasant evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
That is something we will not be discussing on a Disney holiday.
I won't talk about that. That was unbelievable. You still don't know what you just said. That's one for when you're 18.
We will show you this back.
I don't know what you mean.
It's a make of a phone, okay?
Phone.
Yeah, they make phones.
So I'm not allowed to talk about phones.
They make phones. Did you like the fireworks? Let's change the subject.
Yeah, just change the subject quickly
I
before.
was literally doubled over laughing just then. You don't even know what you said.
Let's change the subject before it gets interesting.
That was a really good spot to be the fireworks from. We've never stood here before.
At the end when it goes like bang.
Where are we? we? Just a little bit over from Germany.
Germany.
Just on the corner.
We're going into Germany.
Everyone's walking that way.
Let's go that way.
Okay, good.
Let's be Daredevil.
Super Looper
Go.
So we're gonna go the super duper super woofer long way.
Yeah. Presented by what, Josh?
And I'm not saying.
Poor Granny and Grandad have got to go home tomorrow.
Sorry, we are closed now. Get out.
They've got to leave Italy tomorrow and go home. Oh. Poor Granny and Grandad, their holiday's almost over.
Yeah.
People dancing up here. Go and join them, Josh. Go on, go join them. Hang on. It's your stage. Yeah. Yay! Sam's still going. He's still breakdancing. Oh. Oh my god. Did you just fall on your head while breakdancing? You got a cut. Oh dear. Poor little baby.
That's a food place. I'm gonna faint. I'm so hot I can faint.
It's still really hot.
Yeah.
Still pretty funny.
You must go into the banana mobile.
I said, who are you?
My feet.
Go, start coming back.
Last time you'll see it lit up at night. Oh. Well,
It's,
going back to the bus now.
yeah.
Another fantastic day in Disney World.
Yeah.
Amazing. I don't want to leave. I really don't want to leave. But we've got Animal Kingdom tomorrow morning.
Yay! Dinosaur
Hollywood
ride.
Studios tomorrow afternoon.
Yes.
And then Magic Kingdom the next day.
And
And then
Epcot.
the next day, Epcot in the morning, flight home in the afternoon.
Epcot in the morning, flying in the afternoon.
What's that?
Chicken burger.
Chicken burger with bacon in it
Yes, yeah.
and coleslaw. Sam's got some pasta.
With sauce.
Pasta with sauce. Josh is laughing his head off at
This is so funny.
We're looking at
you.
We're looking at
I'm looking at you.
We're looking at Stop looking at me.
Sammy just said, J-Dog, forgive me for this. Stay to remembering. You really have to try this pasta. What was that all about?
I have no idea.
Right, put your rubbish in.
Nothing.
Nothing today.
Or so we think. And you think,
That's because they know that you're onto them.
no.
Cuddly toys haven't moved today. He's asleep within 30 seconds of being in bed every night. Bless him. You get out of my bed.
Really?
Every night you're in my bed.
I know.
Get out of my bed, you. Get out of my bed.
Get them.
No, I'm joking, darling. You can sit there a bit longer. I'm going to have a quick shower. You keep watching this tornado program that's probably not suitable for you.